Donaire versus Gabalio. Pinoy kontra Pinoy. Grabing body shot ni Donaire. Tiklop si Gabalio. Tara at ating panoorin ang highlights ng laban na ito, mga idolo.
Right. Double jab. After the in-away fight that he still had a purpose in the sport, but he best wait until he gets past
Gabalio with a lot of movement. They're coming forward.
counter right hand.
Left hook landing by Gabalio and
Face someone of the caliber of the pedigree. So Donaire coming back, and then Gabalio fired back. First loss in the career of Raymart Gabalio.
there.
Panalo po si Donaire by round 4 technical knockout. At dito nga po nalasap ang kauna-unahang pagkatalo ni Raymart Gabalio.